the recent
Ako, I would,
Senate. How would you interpret this development?
I would react with caution, no? Kasi I'm not so sure how they do their process sa Senate. Pero ang pagkakaalam ko, katulad sa amin sa Kongreso, the one who creates the subcommittee is the mother committee, hindi plenary. The plenary organizes the mother committees, and then the mother committee, kumbaga ito in this case, the Blue Ribbon, is supposed to be the one to create the subcommittee. It's unheard of sa House na gagawa ng subcommittee for that purpose. And in any case, all of these actions have to be approved on the floor sa plenary. Which I'd like to presume hindi naman sila ng session mula ng Webes, di ba? So I would want to withhold my reaction on whether it is in accordance with the rules or not. No, kailangan gusto kong antayin until Monday kung how the plenary of the Senate will deal with that. Pero sasagutin ko na rin yung tanong mo. Ako pareho ako ng katanungan ng marami, no? Na bakit kaya pinipilit nila na gawin to sa panahon ito? Ngayon, di ba? Alam naman natin kung ano at saan nakatuon ang atensyon ng taong bayan. At ngayon, kailangan nilang buksan ulit kung saan ayaw naman nilang pirmahan yung partial report na tinapos ni Senator Lacson. Why the sudden shift? Why the sudden urgency? Hindi siguro natin makakailan na maisip ng ibang tao. Kami siguro sa Kamara at marami kaming mga kasamahan na nagtatanong bakit pinipilit yun. Total, nandiyan na rin naman ang proseso sa Ombudsman, which is a proper forum. And I think everybody will agree that that is a proper forum. The Ombudsman, at the moment, because cases have started to be filed, hindi mo maiwasang isipin ba na ginagawa ba nila ito para sa umaga, babalikan nila lahat yung mga miyembro ng Kamara, yung mga nasa executive agencies para sa hapon sa impeachment. Medyo nawawala kami, nakakalagpag kami sa impeachment court. Huwag naman lusanin ganun, di ba? Ginagawa ba to para to undermine the impeachment process? Kung hindi mo naman mapipigilan yung impeachment trial from proceeding, baka iniisip nila, pwedeng, sige, puluhin na lang natin, di ba? So, I think that is those are valid questions that needs to be answered. I'm not saying that we should escape accountability, but we allow the proper forum to take over the process of exacting accountability. Kasi kung sa Senado rin lang naman, may senador din kasi na kasama sa mga inaakusahan na pareho. Kung kami, hindi rin naman siguro matutuwa ang taong bayan na kami rin ang mag-iimbestiga sa mga kasamahan namin sa House. And precisely the reason bakit the House decided to defer the role of the investigation sa Ombudsman. I think the process of searching for accountability, of exacting accountability should proceed, should continue. Pero ang tanong ko, dapat it should be on the basis of evidence, it should be on the basis of the rule of law, and it should not be used as a mechanism to deflect attention from the ongoing impeachment trial. Because in the end, accountability din yun eh. You cannot undermine that, di ba? So, yun lang yung punto ko regarding dun sa pag-create ng subcommittee.